Hi, I'm Bill Bassett, Managing Director of the Interclean Group. At Interclean, we're pioneering innovation through science-based cleaning, with a major focus on hospitals and aged care sectors. Do you like listening? Do you like to understand someone's needs, or the needs of an entire industry? Do you enjoy being part of the solution, where you get to make a difference? We're currently looking for more people to help roll out our cleaning programs across Australia.
The business has developed significantly over the last couple of years, adapting to our clients' needs and developing solutions, listening to our best clients to come up with what they have identified as needing a solution.
Interclean has always been a leader in healthcare cleaning. They think big, they dream big, and they make a difference wherever they are.
Creating a family environment in the office is really important to me. It's something that we've always strived to build, even from the early days when it was just Bill and myself that started. It's really important to us that they enjoy their day, that they enjoy what they're doing, and that they see the bigger picture and what they're a part of.
What attracted me most to joining Interclean is being part of a team that really cares about what they do.
I like working with everyone here. I think that's the most enjoyable thing about my role, and the big team feeling that it has.
I've known Bill since the mid-1980s, and I just always loved his passion for life and the industry in general. And there's always something new in Interclean.
And here we've got three businesses. So we have three solutions, different solutions for distribution, managed service, and our insight technology business, which is a really quite exciting part of our business, where we're really on the cusp of developing a game changer in cleaning management.
We have had an amazing last few years growing as our applications we develop in the hospitality suite have been helping facilities manage their cleaning management, auditing, quality, a whole range of things for leading facilities across Australia.
We run big conferences at Interclean, and when we're running a conference or when we're at a trade show, everybody's like, what can I do to help? And I love the team spirit here. Everyone just gets in, and it's really good, and we make it fun.
At Interclean, we're passionate about making a difference through science-based cleaning, making a difference in the lives of our best customers, making a difference in the lives of our staff, and making a difference in the lives of those we can help around us.
My welcome to Interclean was so wonderful. Everyone was so friendly and so helpful. I love customer service so much just because I love working with people and helping people. It's really so satisfying when you're able to take someone from problem to solution.
In my position description, believe it or not, there's even one little three-letter word that says fun. And we believe you can have fun and be productive as well. It's a great environment, great team to be part of.
For us, the who is even more important than the do. Who we are as a person, who we are in a team, and who we are as a company. If you'd like to be part of our team, then please reach out now, as we have many exciting opportunities available and would love to hear from you.